I love what I do. Being a photographer is the only thing I've ever wanted to be. I've taken a few different paths, working at an advertising agency, doing sales, but I've always come back to photography. About 2 years ago, I made the commitment to being a full-time photographer with my main focus on real estate imaging. There's a lot I like about this work. I enjoy being active and out and about. I feel a sense of freedom that comes from every day being different, having no set schedule, no same old drive to work every day. I truly appreciate and value the relationships that I built. The greatest compliment I've received is having a client open a property and then step outside to leave me to do my work. It's very satisfying to know that your client trusts you and knows you'll deliver a great set of photos. But the same things that represent independence and freedom can also be isolating. If you're like me, maybe you wish you had a coworker to talk to or just to ask a question or brainstorm a business idea. That's why I'm so excited to be a part of creating the Certified Photographer Community Program at CubiCasa. This program hasn't existed before, and so we still have a lot of questions. But what I do know is that our certified photographers are an amazing group of people. We share a passion for photography, so much so that we've decided to shape our lives around it. I believe that if we support each other, we have an opportunity to create something really special here. So here's what I can promise you. I will focus my energy on finding little ways to show you that we appreciate you being part of our community, and I'll work to find big ways to support you and your business as we all get to know one another. I believe we all want and need to have a real connection. With everything we already have in common, all we need to do is start talking. I'm Tammy, one of your community managers at CubiCasa, and I'm here for you. Please reach out if I can help with anything, and thank you for joining us.